Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am coming to you with a Tablescape collaboration. And this one is the Pearls and Lace Tablescape20. Now, the host for this collaboration is the lovely Kel. Kel's channel is If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And I will tell you, if you don't subscribe to her channel, I hope you go and pay her a visit today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so that you'll be updated every time she uploads new content. Her co-host for this collaboration is Leah, and her channel is Junkernecker. Now, Leah has a great channel as well. She does all sorts of trash to treasure videos. Again, if you don't subscribe to Leah's channel, please go over, show her some love today, and make sure that you tell Leah that Candy sent you. Now, guys, I'm not going to talk for too long. I just want to say to you that if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll consider doing that. I'd love to have you as a member of this family. You know, I love to do DIYs. You're going to see lots of tablescapes. You're going to see lots of home decor videos, before and afters. I may do a haul or two. And if you go back in my history, you're going to see a lot of home makeover, home DIY, fixer-upper type of videos as I worked on restoring my fixer-upper that I took on a couple years ago. So again, I'm going to stop talking, let you enjoy my Tablescape. And again, this is my take on the Pearls and Lace Tablescape 20. I'll be back at the end just to say a couple words. Thank you. right, guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the Tablescape. And remember, I welcome all of your comments. Feel free to like, comment, share, all of that great stuff. And as I said earlier, if you're not a member of the channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell today. Make sure that you visit the playlist. You're going to see tons of other creators, all kinds of ideas and of what you can do with pearls and lace. Again, if you'll go and visit Leah's channel, Leah is the co-host, and her channel is Junkernecker. And again, Kel is the host, and her channel is If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And of course, I have links down in the description box to both of their channels. So again, guys, I just want to thank you. And listen, if you've stayed with me and you're still on till this point, I really thank you for that, because it really does help anyone's channel when you don't jump out of the video early. So thank you for that. And again, like I always try to say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.